make a super simple, refreshing Japanese cucumber salad. You're going to want to get some Japanese cucumbers, salt, soy sauce, some rice vinegar. Here I have a Japanese rice vinegar, some sugar. And this is optional, but I like to include white sesame seeds in my salad as well as some Japanese wakame. So let's get started. Start by thinly slicing your cucumbers. I'm using 3 Japanese cucumbers here. Now, gently massage 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt into your sliced cucumbers. Mix well and set it aside. Now, in another bowl, we're going to rehydrate our dehydrated Japanese wakame. About 1 tablespoon is enough. Let it sit in water, and after about a minute, you can start to see it increase in size. Our cucumbers have been resting for a while, and you can see that the liquid from the cucumbers have been extracted. Now we're just going to rinse the cucumbers so that the excess salt can be removed and squeeze dry. We're now going to squeeze the excess liquid from our rehydrated wakame and add it into our bowl of cucumbers. Now for the sauce, I like to use equal parts soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sugar, but you can adjust this according to your preference. Give it a good mix and just pour this dressing over your cucumber and wakame mixture. Now you can sprinkle some white sesame seeds over it. You can put as much or as little as you like, and just give it a good mix. This tangy and refreshing cucumber salad is a great side dish and appetizer to your meal. And that's it. Try yourself.